In this video, I will tell you how to use Instagram on your Galaxy Watch 6. I will explore whether you can directly install the Instagram app on the watch and some alternative methods to access Instagram without the app. I will also guide you on how to respond to Instagram messages and notifications from your Galaxy Watch 6. Before we dive in, please consider subscribing to our channel. We release daily videos covering wearable tech tips and tricks. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 operates on Wear OS, equipped with its dedicated Play Store for direct app installations on the watch. Let's navigate to the Play Store and search for Instagram to check its availability for download. Unfortunately, Instagram is not accessible for Wear OS at the moment. Galaxy Watch 6 does not directly support the installation of Instagram due to its limited functionality compared to smartphones. We have seen a similar situation with Facebook before. Facebook also acquired Instagram, yet their apps are still not available for Wear OS. If you have not watched our video explaining how to use Facebook and Facebook Messenger on Galaxy Watch 6, then tap on the I button to check it out. Just because the Instagram app is not available on Google Play Store does not mean you can't access Instagram on your Galaxy Watch 6. There is another way to use Instagram on your Galaxy Watch 6. You can't directly install Instagram on your Galaxy Watch 6, but you can still get notifications from Instagram on your Watch 6. This means you will know when someone likes your post or sends you a message. You won't be able to scroll through your feed or chat back, but you will at least know what is happening on Instagram without having the full app on your watch. For this, open the Samsung Wearable app on your phone. Tap on the settings for your watch. Look for notifications and tap on it. Find Instagram in the list of apps. There will be a toggle button, just turn it on. That's all. Now your Galaxy Watch 6 will show you notifications from Instagram. To check messages, you need to access notifications by swiping right. Here, I can see all the Instagram notifications on my watch. You can view on the Galaxy Watch 6 screen that you have received a message on Instagram. If you tap on it, you will get the option to reply to the chat. There is a text box where you can type your message and add emojis. If you click on the text box to type, the keyboard will appear on the watch screen. When you swipe up, you will find additional typing methods such as audio to text, gesture typing, and more settings. Other than this, you have an option to like the message. There are also some ready-made reply templates provided below. They help to reply quickly, so we can say quick replies. Below the quick replies, select Show on the phone if you want to communicate on the phone. The Instagram app will be opened automatically on your phone. If someone sends us a photo or video in a chat, you are notified about it through a message. But you can't view the actual photo or video on the Galaxy Watch 6. You can see on the screen what message I get instead of getting the photo. I am sure you also want to know whether you can answer the Instagram calls through the Galaxy Watch 6. Let's try calling. You can see that I am receiving a notification about the call on my watch. If I click on it, I get three options: decline, answer, and show on the phone. When someone initiates an audio or video call on Instagram, you can accept or decline it from the Galaxy Watch 6. However, to communicate, you will need to use your phone. If you miss the call, you will receive a notification on the Watch 6 that allows you to message or call back by tapping on it. In case of WhatsApp, you can attend any call from your same Galaxy Watch 6 and you don't require a phone for this call. If you want to know how to install and use WhatsApp on Galaxy Watch 6, then tap on the I button and watch our video on this topic. This is how you can stay connected to your Instagram through the Galaxy Watch 6. If someone likes your photo, comments, or contacts you, you will receive notifications and you can reply through these notifications. However, one thing missing is the real Instagram experience. You can't view others' posts or like them. But don't worry, I will tell you how you can access Instagram with real experience on your Galaxy Watch 6 and like others' posts. To access the Instagram on Galaxy Watch 6, swipe up and tap the Samsung browser icon and then tap on the search icon. You will see three search engine options: Google, DuckDuckGo, and Bing. Choose one. Tap on the search bar, type Instagram, and enter the Instagram website URL. Once the Instagram website opens, log in using your username and password. After logging in, you will see the Instagram web version like on a computer. You can follow friends, check your feed, like or comment on posts. Some parts of the website might be hidden. Swipe from the edge to the middle of the screen to reveal them. Initially, this might seem a bit complicated, but once you get used to it, you will find it entertaining. These are the ways through which you can use Instagram on the Galaxy Watch 6. Before the Galaxy Watch 6, we could install third-party apps on earlier versions of Galaxy Watches. But with the new update from Samsung, they have stopped allowing this. Now, if an app is not on the Play Store, we can't install it. Samsung did this to increase security on their watches because third-party apps could potentially harm the watch. That's it in today's video. If you have anything else on your mind, just drop it in the comments below. If you liked this video and found it helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wearable tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video.